Guys, it's time to get serious. Let's talk about ED. But more specifically, let's talk about the medicine and the biotech companies that are out there trying to treat ED, right? In this video, we're going to talk about CELZ is the ticker symbol. The company is Creative Medical Technology Holdings. And what are they out there doing? They're a biotech company that's on the forefront of solving problems for males. And we're not going to get into all of that. Don't worry. Trust me on that. We're going to talk about the money side of it, right? Can we make money investing in CELZ? So if this sounds like something you're interested in, make sure to stay along for the rest of the video. Now let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. Let's grow our portfolios together and let's start off right, okay? So if you like this video, if you like this channel, don't forget to click that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to click that subscribe button too, and just let's grow the channel together and let's grow our portfolios together. So like I said, we're going to be talking about CELZ in this video. What do they do? Why are they in the news? And what's going on? So this is a penny stock. If you're not interested in penny stocks, maybe it's something that you should be taking a look at, because these stocks, they move and they move fast, right? A CELZ is trading around 2 cents a share right now. So think about it. You can buy a lot of shares for a very little price, and a very small move in the price will create huge gains for you, right? On the last trading day of 2020, this stock shot up about 45% just in one trading day alone. That's a huge gain. And you see this a lot of times with pharmaceutical companies, with biotech companies, because when they have a release come out, or when they get FDA approval on something, or when the clinical research is proving to be positive, you're going to get these huge spikes up simply because of the news surrounding that. Now, I want you to be aware of, and I want you to be very careful though too, because just as fast as a pharmaceutical company or a biotech company can go up, what can they do? They can go back down, right? If bad news comes out, if something comes out and they've got some adverse side effects to their drug or their treatment, of course that stock is going to tick down, and it's going to tick down just as fast as it goes up, right? So this is definitely something we need to be aware of. But let's talk a little bit about this company. Are they making money? How big is their revenue? Is it a large company? So no, it's definitely not a large company right now. Like I said, it's trading around 2 to 3 cents per share. And as for revenue, they only do about $140,000 a year in revenue. So that's the trailing 12 months was around $140,000 to $150,000 in revenue. So this is not a huge company by any means, and they're not yet profitable, right? We're going to see that a lot with very small companies, with penny stocks. We're going to see that they're not profitable. They don't have a net profit at the end of the year. They actually have a net loss. But does this mean that they're a company that we shouldn't be investing in, right? That's a question that I get a lot. Should we be investing in a company even if they don't make money? Well, think about that. If you would have said the same thing about Amazon or Netflix or companies like that, then you missed out on a huge opportunity, right? So no, it's not necessarily the fact that just because a company doesn't have a net profit that we shouldn't be investing in them. What I like to say is that if they're not turning a net profit yet, and they're not a very large company, if they're a small play, kind of like these penny stocks are, it should be almost like a day trade or a swing trade that we look at, a trading opportunity instead of an investing opportunity. So a lot of companies out there, you can buy them, you can hold them, and you can just grow with them, right? Well, when you're talking about penny stocks, they're more or less a get in, get out type of deal. That's where the opportunity lies. Now, of course, if this company continues to grow and it does turn its net profit, or it does turn its net earnings into a positive, and they continue to innovate and they continue to come out with new treatments and new drugs and things like that, of course, this can go from a penny stock and the sky's the limit, right? There's no such thing as a ceiling for a stock price. A stock is worth what people are willing to pay for it. And with this company and the information that they're providing and things that are coming out and coming to light about them, investors are loving it. up 40% in one day. You're not going to see this in a huge company. You're not going to see Google rise 40% in one day. You're not going to see companies like Square or Apple or Netflix or Amazon rise 40% in one day. It's just not going to happen. So if these huge price swings, if these huge gains are your bread and butter, if that's what you're out there for, if you're a speculative trader and you're okay with big price swings, you definitely should check out CELZ. It could be a huge play for you. It could set your portfolio up in 2021 for some big gains right off the bat. Now, guys, if you found this interesting, I know there's not too much information to go over on CELZ right now, but if you found this video interesting, if you didn't know about CELZ, make sure to leave me a comment down below. I want to know what kind of stocks you're into and what kind of information you like to see and what kind of information you'd like to get from this channel. So make sure to leave me a comment down below. If you haven't clicked the like button yet, please help me out. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and what are we going to do? We're going to grow our portfolios together in 2021. This is going to be the best year ever. So as always, guys, until the next video, I hope that all of you have an awesome day.